Are you looking to find the perfect fit for your clothing? Look no further. We've got you covered with our step-by-step measurement guide. Let's begin. When shopping on our site, look to the right of your purchase for our conversion table. That would help convert between inches and centimeters. Click CM to IN to display conversion table. Chest measurement. Wrap a measuring tape around the fullest part of your chest, under your armpits and across your shoulder blades. Stand up straight with your arms relaxed at your side. Step 2. Bicep. Wrap the measuring tape around the biggest part of your bicep. Write the measurement down. Step 3. Sleeve length. Measure from the top of your shoulder to your wrist with your arms slightly bent. Step 4. Back shoulder. From side to side, relax your arms and measure from one shoulder to the next shoulder. Waist measurement. Measure around your natural waistline, usually around the navel, and make sure you take down the measurement. Slack length. From waist to ankle, standing up straight with your shoes on, measure from your waistline down to the desired length of your slacks. Congratulations, you have successfully measured yourself. Now you can confidently choose the right size and ensure a tailored fit that complements your body shape.